I'm from Sicily Commercial's Truck Sales Exec, and this is...
I'm Gary, driver trainer for Sicily Commercial.
And we're here today to introduce you to the Actros 1 Special Edition. Introducing you to the 530 with the super single tyres, side skirt, full catwalk and alloy wheels.
Key features of the Actros 1 comes with this special key, which from the outside, when I come in the morning, I can switch my heating on, I can check the tyre pressures, turn the radio on, get the vehicle prepared, ready for pre-checks, and away I go. It slots into this slot here, like so. And also other features that we have on this Actros Edition 1 is we've got a fantastic sound system, as you can see here, which you will not find on any other Actros whatsoever within the range. We've got the neon camera lights, the standard on here. We've got electric sun visors, as you can see, coming down on there. This is all standard on the Actros 1. We've got ABS 4 with pedestrian recognition and proximity control. And then at the back here we've got cupboards, as you can see, and we have a microwave.
Available in the UK, coming with this outstanding livery, 3-point illuminated star, standard, and just to recap on today, everything that we spoke about comes standard with the Actros 1.
As driver trainer with Actros 1,